SaleHoo Dropshipping Product Finder Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description, so you can check it out for yourself. Now let's go over what SaleHoo's Dropshipping Product Finder offers, its features, strengths, weaknesses, and whether it's the right tool for your business. SaleHoo is a well-known platform for connecting dropshippers with reliable suppliers, and its product finder tool is designed to help sellers quickly identify trending and high-profit products. Unlike other research tools that rely solely on AliExpress, SaleHoo provides access to a curated list of trusted suppliers, ensuring better product quality and faster shipping times. This makes it a great choice for dropshippers looking for long-term supplier relationships rather than just one-off transactions. Key features. Curated winning products list. SaleHoo's research team handpicks trending products, filtering out low-quality or oversaturated items. Verified supplier network. Unlike AliExpress-based tools, SaleHoo connects you with vetted suppliers that offer faster shipping and better reliability. Market demand analysis. Get insights into product demand, competition levels, and pricing trends to make data-driven decisions. Profit margin estimates. Each product listing includes potential profit margins, making it easier to find high-revenue opportunities. Supplier contact and negotiation tools. Directly connect with wholesalers and manufacturers to discuss pricing, bulk orders, and shipping options. eBay and Amazon insights. SaleHoo provides sales data from major marketplaces, helping you identify products with strong sales potential. Who is it for? SaleHoo is ideal for serious dropshippers who want access to reliable suppliers beyond AliExpress. It's especially useful for those who prefer with vetted suppliers for better product quality and faster shipping times. If you're looking for a tool that prioritizes quality over quantity, SaleHoo is a solid option. Strengths and weaknesses. Strengths. Verified suppliers, high-quality product selection, market demand analysis, profit margin insights. Weaknesses. Subscription cost, smaller product database compared to AliExpress-based tools. Final verdict. SaleHoo's Product Finder is an excellent choice for dropshippers who want a more reliable sourcing solution with vetted suppliers and strong product insights. If you're looking to build a long-term, sustainable dropshipping business, this tool is worth considering. Check the links in the description to learn more.